Well, the brief that Liberty Counsel signed on to also quotes the 1984 Supreme Court case Lynch v. Donnelly, which says the Constitution does not, quote, require complete separation of church and state. And we also point out that participation in the National Day of Prayer is voluntary. This is not mandated. Now, every president prior to Barack Obama, and I don't know that he has called for it yet, has made a proclamation calling for a national day of prayer. Many have called for prayer and fasting for specific events. Many have called for a more general day of prayer. But clearly, this language from Lynch that says that the Constitution does not require complete separation of church and state is at odds with the goal of the secular left, which is complete separation of church and state. And they have to skew history and they have to skew reality in order to arrive at that goal. They want the church removed in prayer or any reference to religion, particularly Christianity, from any public forum anywhere, period.
Well, the organization that brought the lawsuit is not Freedom of Religion. It's Freedom from Religion Foundation. And that says it all. They want to rid religious freedom from this country. They don't like Christianity particularly, or religion in general, but they certainly don't like Christianity. And that's who brought this suit. Now, Crabb, when she wrote this decision, the National Day of Prayer, by the way, is an annual event, began by Congress in 1952. And that, of course, that's about the same time we had our motto as well. That was also put on our coinage. But Crabb said that, who was appointed by President Carter back in 1979 on the twilight of his leaving office, said that the National Day of Prayer, quote, serves no purpose but to encourage a religious exercise, making it difficult for a reasonable observer to see the statute as anything other than a religious endorsement. And so she struck it down. This case is before the Court of Appeals now. We filed a brief with others on this case supporting the National Day of Prayer. Keep it in your prayers as this case goes through the United States or through the Court of Appeals, and perhaps even from there up to the United States Supreme Court. This is a very important issue because if that is struck down, to me, it ultimately shows hostility of the government toward religion, not neutrality toward religion.
Matt, religious freedom is under assault at levels that unprecedented in the United States right now. Now more than ever, the mission that we have here at Liberty Counsel and the ability to do what we do is crucial to our freedoms. And attached to religious freedom, of course, is freedom of speech. Attached to freedom of speech and all First Amendment rights, freedom of assembly, everything else is larger freedom. Freedom is under assault, period. Liberty Counsel is on the front lines in defending that freedom, and I'm proud to be a part of that mission.
Give us a call to be a part of Liberty Counsel's ministry and outreach as well, to extend your reach to all these different areas to defend and advance our religious freedom, the sanctity of life, and the family through litigation, education, and through public policy. You can go to our website at lc.org. You can sign up for our Liberty Alert email, the Liberator newsletter, and the Liberty Action email, all right there on the website. Or you can call 1-800-671-1776. In addition to your prayers, we also need your financial support as well. Liberty Counsel is a nonprofit, tax-exempt organization. We are supported by listeners, individuals like you all around the country. So give us a call. You can give a contribution right there on the website through a secured credit card process, or you can call 1-800-671-1776 to make your contribution and stand for liberty today.
You have been listening to Matt Staver of Liberty Counsel. Our hope is to encourage and inspire you to stand up for your faith, family, and freedoms. We can accomplish a lot when we work together. Get informed and get involved today. Sign up for our free monthly newsletter, The Liberator. We will send it out to you free of charge. Stay informed with our Liberty Alert email update. Just click on the website at www.lc.org or call us at 1-800-671-1776. Tune in next time to learn more about your rights right here on Faith and Freedom.